Is number 3.1415 an object? Well, by the end of this video you will learn that everything in Groovy is an object and what it means for you. In fact, for me and my colleagues, this was one of the surprising things in Groovy language at the beginning, and we learned it the hard way. For demonstrations, I will use the Groovy web console, where you can try all of this immediately as well. So, when you write a number, you'd expect the 3.1415 to be just a number value, right? But in Groovy, this compiles into an object, or, to use a correct terminology, an instance of a class. You can find the type, the class, of the instance using the method getClass. When you execute this code, you can see that the type is a BigDecimal. Now let's try the same with a number without any decimal part. This one is of type integer. So what about piece of text? You get the type string, which you would likely expect. Now Groovy has also its own type of text, which is used when you use replacements in the text. So here you can see the type is actually a G-string, so-called Groovy string. Before I show you what are the consequences of this for you, let me show you two more examples. A list with 3 items will be an array list, and a map with 2 key value pairs turns into a linked hash map. So what does that all mean for you? Well, if you write 5 plus 2, the math operation will compile into a call of function plus on the number object. When you execute this, you will get 7, which is again an object. With this knowledge, the error messages from the following expressions will start to make sense. Let's type and execute null plus 5. You got the null pointer exception because what you are actually trying to do here is null.plus5. Now let's try it in the opposite order, 5 plus null. Here you get completely different error message, ambiguous method overloading, because you are trying to call method plus with parameter null, but as you can see, there are 3 different methods plus, each of them expecting certain type, but Groovy doesn't know which method to use since you supplied a null which doesn't have a type. Okay, but wait, what about the comparison operator? What happens if I write 5 equals 5? Well, it does not compare the actual instances, but, as you would likely guess by now, it compiles into a call of a method equals, which will compare the content of the numbers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me any questions that you have in the comments below, and if you'd like to learn more about Groovy, make sure to subscribe and the notifications are turned on. And I'll see you in the next one.